Students, remaining topic digital electronics. Binary multiplication is much same as decimal multiplication, except that the multiplication operations are much simpler. Is a number. Is an example of binary multiplications. Error reduction codes, redundancy, extra informations. That is example. In the form of extra bits can be incorporated into binary coded words to detect and correct errors. The simple form of redundancy is a parity, an extra bit appended into the code to make the number of one is odd or even. Parity can detect all single bit errors and some multiple bit errors. A code word has even parity if the number of one is in the code word is even. One is a even parity, and the code word has odd parity if the number of one is the code word of odd parity. Bit parity code examples. Bit parity code examples. Fill in the even and odd parity bits. Even parity, odd parity. The binary code word 41 has even parity, and the binary code 1110 has odd parity. Both would be used to represent data. Parity codes. Parity codes are formed by concatenating a parity bit P to each code word of C. In an add parity code, the parity bit is specified so that the total number of ones is added. In an even parity code, parity bit is specified so that the total number of ones is even. P information bits added even parity added add parity. Even parity is a example number, add parity bit is a example number. Parity code example. Concatenating a parity bit to the ASCII code for the characters zeros, x, and to produce both add parity and even parity codes. So character ASCII, add parity, even parity. Okay, 0x equal to ASCII code, American Standard Code for Information Interchange. ASCII is a 7-bit code, frequently used with 8-bit or error reduction. Character ASCII bit, ASCII hexadecimal octal. ASCII character codes. This code is the most popular code used to represent information sent as character cased data. It uses 7 bits to represent. 94 is a graphic printing character, 34 non-printing character. Some non-printing characters are used for text format. Other non-printing characters are used for record marking and flow control. ASCII is a 7-bit code, but most computers manipulate 8-bit quantity called byte. To detect errors, the 8th bit is used as parity bit. ASCII codes and data transmission. ASCII codes and data transmission is a diagram. Example diagram. ASCII codes A to Z, 0 to 9, and complete listing in monotext. Transaction subsequently to noise. Typical transmission rates. How to keep data transmission accurate. Overview. Hexadecimal numbers related to binary and octal numbers. Conversion between hexadecimal, octal, and binary. Value ranges as number of numbers representing positive and negative numbers. Creating the complement of number, making a positive number negative number, and vice versa. Why binary?